Unlock the true profit potential of your real estate deals by mastering the art of finding ARV with Propstream. Today, we're diving deep into how Propstream's powerful data and comparable sales tools can pinpoint a property's after repair value, or ARV, essential for smart investing. First, log into your Propstream account once inside. You'll want to search for the specific property you're analyzing. You can do this by address, parcel ID, or even by drawing a search area on the map for a broader neighborhood analysis. Once the property loads, you'll see a wealth of information at your fingertips. But to find ARV, our main focus is on the Comps tab, usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Comps will bring up a list of comparable properties' homes that have recently sold in the same area and share similar characteristics. This is where the magic happens for ARV calculation. Now, don't just grab the first few results. Propstream's system is smart, but refinement is key. Look for properties that are as close in size, age, condition, and style as possible to your target property after repairs. Use the filters here to narrow down your search. Adjust the sale date to view recent sales, typically within the last 6 months, and refine by square footage, bedrooms, and bathrooms to match your subject property's expected post-renovation features. As you apply these filters, watch the list of comparable sales update in real-time. Focus on the sale price column for these refined comps. These are your real-world indicators of market value. Take an average of the sale prices of your most relevant comparable properties. This average gives you a strong, data-backed projection of your target properties after repair value. This ARV is your anchor for determining your offer price, renovation budget, and ultimately, your profit margin. Propstream empowers you to make these critical investment decisions with confidence. Mastering ARV with Propstream is a game-changer for any real estate investor aiming for maximum profit. Start analyzing today.